Cheers. Thank you. We have made it to our new national stadium, the fucking Kai Tak Stadium. Look at this place. Oh, I'm here for Hong Kong, baby. I'm here for my new national stadium and nothing else. A new national stadium, the Hong Kong Stadium, the Hong Kong Kai Tak Stadium, whatever they've called it. They should call it the Roshan Stadium. And I've never seen a hospitality box like this any of the countries I've ever been to. This is the Cathay Hospitality Box at our new national stadium. Look at this. It says nothing beats being here. Forget a Hong Kong 7. It should be nothing beats being with Cathay Pacific because they are just brilliant. Forget about the Hong Kong 7's branding. It's all about the Cathay branding. Oh my goodness, these guys have killed it. They have instant tattoos for those who are not brave enough to actually pierce themselves with ink. They have the absolute best, the most ridiculous view in the house. They also got these puffy guys here. Yeah, I'm saying, come follow me. Oh my goodness, our new national stadium. This is just nutty stuff. Let me bring you around this way. State of the art, 50,000 seats. We here, thanks to Cathay Pacific, are right on the halfway line. 5, 6 mega screens. Absolutely the best. Back inside, more of this box. If you want fingers, if you want balls, if you want photos, gorgeous chairs. They've built it like their business class or their first class lounge. That is the best they can. I'm going to sneak in. Anyway, sorry to and tell you that all of you should fly Cathay Pacific to Hong Kong. You want alcohol? I'm a teetotaler. Go. You want beers, coffees, long drinks, short drinks, hard drinks, soft drinks. You don't want to be outside. They have screens everywhere. Giveaways, t-shirts, pops, balls, beautiful women, and games. They even to Hong Kong, fly Cathay Pacific, tell them Roshan sent you, make a suit from me. Me and Saria together at our 7s for the first time. I've never been to Saria. This guy's the usual suspect. Our new national stadium! Victoria, just touch the thing that lights up. God. You got better eyes than me. Did I just beat them all? How do we do? No.
Thank you very much.
I'm not good at selfies. Yeah, we're inside the Cathay box now. Cathay Pacific, you've got to see, it's like they built it like this airline lounge. Yes, the national stadium. Woo! Cathay Pacific, the best airline on the planet, for hosting us. Look at this glorious box. It is absolutely sensational. Decadence. Nobody does decadence like Hong Kong. Nobody does decadence like Cathay. And if you want decadence, come to me. Where are you, Saria? Come to me for decadence. Hong Kong icon here, such a humble guy, very different to me. He ran Cathay Pacific forever and ever. He made the airline what it is today. John Swire and Sons. This guy's your guy. Thank you very much. My pleasure. So good to see you. Good to see you too. Good. What do we got? This is what we got. Semi-final time, France versus Fiji. Virtually at the halfway line, my lovely Saria, my handsome Rian, and my gorgeous stadium. Up in the annals of the stadium watching the second semi-final. Loving our new national stadium. Thank you, ladies. You're ready, okay?
Yeah, bro. Like, I can get tissues, right? Yo, can you stop my ass?
Oh my god! Stop! Thank you. Can you guys can you help us? Sorry. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Guys. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm just recording.
Thank you so much. I love your videos.
Okay? Quickly, come on.
Thank you so much.
Do you know my dad?
I don't know your dad.
Yo, do you know Ronnie?
I know your dad.
Can I take a photo with you for him? I know Ronnie too.
Awesome.
Wait, here you go. Oh. Stop pulling my shirt.
Can you take a picture of that? Bro, I'm your number one fan.
Thank you.
Big Chinese boy. Big Chinese.
I love you so much. A big Asian mixed Chinese man. One selfie as well. Thank you, Sam. Thank you.
Pleasure.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Good day.
Thank you. Sure. Need your camera.
He must use his camera.
Can I get a photo?
You have a phone?
Did you get the There you you, bro.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
What's up? Can you say hello to Benito?
Hi, whoever you are, I'm coming for you.
Yes. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
What's up? Can you say hello to Benito?
Hi, whoever you are, I'm coming for you.
Yes. Am I a sexy Argentinian boy?
Yes, I am. Make you member.
No, no. I'm a member.
Come and see me.
Waiting to be a floating member. Working on.
Okay?
Thank you.
Sure. Who's taking the photo?
Oh my God, it's this thing. Okay.
In the photo, man.
Yeah, in the photo. Yeah. What is that?
Cool? Thank you. Thank you. See you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, this is Josh Ryan. Hey. Tell him who the fuck you are.
I'm Josh Ryan.
Find him on my Insta. Find him on your TikTok. Josh Ryan.
That's my guy. That's my guy.
Showed up the most handsome white guys from London.
Can't be me. Must be someone else.
And Tristan is one of them. Again, check out his social.